So now do you have everything?
This is the Maryland Emergency Management Agency with the coordinated test of the emergency alert system. Broadcasters are testing equipment used to warn you during an emergency. This concludes the test of the emergency alert system.
All the preparation is making me hungry.
Me too. You know what would really hit the spot? Why don't you whip us up a couple of Krabby Patties?
I'm kind of in the mood for tacos.
Good one, SpongeBob. But really, why don't you go ahead and make us a patty?
No, I don't really feel like it.